Show me love, and I will show the same. Yeah, yeah. Be there for me, and I will do the same. Yeah, yeah. Every man should be his brother's keeper. Why you in a hurry if you be me grave digger? When you're not a love giver, can be the receiver. When no love within, everyone is a loser. So let's stick together like a glue and a rubber. Tell the youth we know say unification is the power. Love is the only way for us to cross the border. With love, everyone is a winner. That's why me sing, show me love, and I will show the same. Yeah, yeah. So the fans them fi come.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and
Unification is the power. Only your love can make things better. Means we have to be together. Hey, so love to one another. Yo,
Hello, man. Hey, yo, Gambia. Are you ready? Gambia, are you ready?
No, this is power, you know.
What is the power?
A QCity telephone operator, you know. You can hear them powerful voices, you know. Lixen ready, Benjahmin ready. QCity this coming Saturday, turn up, you know. So make the whole Gambia link up. Lord, I thank you.
Lord, I thank you.
Big things.
So, ino tarala jelo kadi ya?
Mbete mata mbete sejo beke. Kondal da kala nyamanda. Gambia la ne paje wara kala kuol ke nyama.
Nene mejo wo nyama se de ka ga nyadile.
Ya nana ndoran QCity wo bekala surprise leti. Wolu ngo bekala kuta dolti. Mo nene nyama munja. Because reggae dancehall music wo le fongo munta fongo tati. Ninka na wo stage yo to wo special preparation alti. So make the whole Gambia come out in QCity this coming Saturday. Dula betela.
international, yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and
Assalamu alaikum. Badingolu komi ali alo nyamin dorong as usual. Bi Lixen and Benjahmin yenke soja rolti. Niaje yenke soja rolti because ila denkilo nying ay wala nyininka. Bare niye reggae artist o moy dawda. Itoli ila Kolkata straight to the point le. Nevertheless, Lixen bijan, of course Benjahmin bijan and bedaming ika fole heritage. Wodo koku yaye dunia dorong ika yelo molle nene molle katreje mi alon ko wonene it inspire. So on that note, in the water janila eko Islam ya fanya min dorong eko ibuluba force ini mole nyo konton ke VM International TV.
yes, I VM bal konton na baba ke you know from Bale Muhammad Al Amin Sedikan aka Lixen Khan, the original frontline army al konyadi. Kako 12th of March, you know, QCity al nga benje, you know. Adia mansia, you know. Adia ala de baila man ning ala sonta de baila. Inshallah.
Nga mole ko nye petrol bele betere leje nyi mun to nyaldi bang.
Ah, ndefana ngolo moy nak, you know. Yeah, man.
Are you ready?
Yeah, man, ever ready. You
Because
know?
afu mule mene be caring because saying he relaxed tale and the other saying Gambia betaka nyami. But saying on the 12th of March, me along ko walam amanjam fa saying any moment from now ngana tikirol basankane all because of Benjahmin and of course Lixen. Yamna sele mi folo mole ko tanje.
Mafle ya baraka, you know, your support me and na kabri nata banko kam for sign. Un content ala bakele. Ano nga jiko so tala coming on the 12th. Dulaba fala inshallah.
Exactly.
What dalil wala sabu mbot jama natanang puro ka ko nyin soni eta nyama nyin tatala nyameng ay successful and I'm 100% happy from the response of the fans. Mamin follow doran wala ye bulo kafu. Yeah, more you know, ya fe badi wala ya fe ye bamal kamana. Tiketo ngamila alkalo afuiba.
Alkalo jallam.
Keme fula in advance. Bunda dato keme nani aning VIP kunukumal. Waleng $700.
Kunukumal miliyalan ko wala katinin
yeah, president wana la mall, you know. Yeah, man, and minister, you know.
Nko.
Yeah.
Freestyle di mole because it's like nkam mol je lalto e ka bona be ko Benjahmin dol ba ko Lixen and e ka fingelo ko mala be kala lunji mal ban ko yoko on the 12th lam and on the 12th 8 o'clock at a mobe karla because mobe wetara je chuk tak. So say freestyle di mole ngata.
Unification is the power. Only your love can make things better. Means we have to be together. Hey, so love to one another. Yo, alin angana nga bank QCity on the 12th.
Unification.
Nga jura.
Unification oti.
Yeah, well, and come on to you know. I tell you, yeah, man.
Benjahmin, unification is the power of everything. Mbeanu no ni unification mantra dara don janjangol be kala. Afa mo le manan unification fon kumate te abake.
Unification akumata yala because of hanim fitara on fon yaje kala killing ka te ya ka sone ala wala ka kuntu. Yeah, but niya kafun nyokan ka kati waka kole ala e kan fil. So wala na kanana nyokan wala sembo soto katambi tante. Ni ndela kariya jibe from day one madawada na soldier role katarambala ma dawada ni na crew la ka role exactly, you know what I mean? We have to move together, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah man, that is the thing, you know what I mean? Remember me, I say show me love and I will show the same. Yeah, be there for me and I will do the same. Yeah.
Reggae music wala on la code, you understand? Ana adima wa
exactly,
wala Lixen ko music and more music
so okay, finally mavlal be ko program wa nyimbe dara nata wala lo I thank you baflo mobe ko alnana nga findi nga Lixen and Benjahmin nge support one more time. Reggae music is the most beautiful music go mi alon ko mol kala fala because nye reggae fo jibe abeda nata message lom andi la message ning aka mol inspire aka useful fana inspire aka mobile inspire wota baflo momo dorong alba dawda ala nga finde nga Lixen ngala adbomo nying nga support bake bare mbeke Jamaican la moy nyami ning ala ya kesa nga gamenol so minalan koy ka ala more than Jamaicans of course ngi support wota mbafla le doron ala ba
VM so mbali fe kanolela VM so mbali fe udalolela VM so alnana njanim bisala wala kano fangole duntanna nyi enju so tumbu VM so mbali fe kanolela muna VM mbe fe udalolela apachaki ala folode wobiton ndingo nying VM so wato tijede alal bul kondi wodi kijal ka follow wo wuleri ndingo nying al wodi kidal ka follow de VM so nyancho bije D Jobs bije VM bije dimbal